This is an instructional video on how to make A3 or A4 hotel menu laminated foldable booklets. First, your design should be ready and every page printed on its own independent leaflet, not back-to-back print. For the best quality, an inkjet printer should be used to print on a matte paper. Start your lamination machine and preheat it to 130 degrees. Arrange the cover page and the first page back-to-back, then insert them in the lamination film first, then the back cover page and the second page follows. Once the laminator is heated, insert the paper carefully, holding the back end so the printed papers don't slip out. When the middle point of the booklet is laminated, fold it while it's still hot so that the fold is permanent. Your booklet is ready. Like, share and subscribe for more tech hacks.